Hello student, welcome back to maths class. Today we learn here last topic critical thinking pattern. Also we learn previous up to the previous videos. Okay, we learn here critical thinking. Vicky rode 2555 meters on the first day, 3110 meters on the next day, 3665 meters on the day after that. At this rate, in how many days will row 6440 meters in one day? In one day. Okay. Now, see here. 2555 to 3110. How many there gap? 3110 minus 2555. Got here 555 answer. You plus there 555 when come to the stop there 6440. You stop there. And how many days? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Right there 8 days. In how many days will he row 6440 meters? In 8 days. Understand? Now, there are 2000 students in Ratan International School. Each student plays at least one sport. Number of students plays more than the two sport. Find the maximum number of students that play two sports. Use the chart. Sports number of students: basketball 1200, cricket 400, kabaddi 250 and tennis 150. Now list play which have tennis and how many members? 150. Number of students play one sport 150. Maximum number of students that play two sports. Maximum number of play in two sports. You want there 800. Okay. 400 basketball, 400 on basketball and 400 for a cricket. 400 for a cricket. Right there. Maximum number of students that play in two sports 800 students. Okay. You need to fill a bag with 14 kg of apple. You have a balance scale and their weight are 1 kg, 5 kg, 10 kg. How can measure out of 14 kg of apple? 14 kg of apple. There are different weight. 1 kg, 5 kg and 10 kg. 1 kg you 14 time measure there, you got there 40 kg apple. या फिर 10 kg one time and 1 kg you measure there 4 time. That time you got there 14 kg apple and weight 15 kg and they remove 1 kg apple in that bag. That time you got 14 kg of apple. Understand? Now, Bowman says that the average of group number of can be greater than the greatest number in the group. Do you agree and why? No. Bowman says average of group of number can be greater than the greatest number in the group. Do you agree? It can never be the greater than the greatest number in a group, as we divided sum of the atom by number of atom. When you have group atom, that time what you do? Sum there that atoms, and how many atoms are there means bag, water bottle, compass. That time you divided 3 divided there. How many bag? 100, 20. This one compass and 10 water bottles. 130 divided by 3. 3 12, 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9, 43, 44%. That time that is a smaller. So this is a, we don't agree that one. Okay. If Republic Day in the year 2010 was Tuesday, on what day will be the in the years 2011, 12, 13? Now 2010 was on Tuesday, 2011 Wednesday, 2012 Thursday, 2013 which, what you say, Friday? No, because of after 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth year is a leap year. So they jump there one day again. You got there Saturday. Understand? Next one. A metal wire of 4 centimeter in model into the square. Then the same wire model into the rectangle with length 12 centimeter. Find the figure with the greater area. First one 40 centimeter. That one model in the square. Square means all sides are same. 40 divided by 4, 10 centimeter. So area there 10 multiplied by 10 is equal to 100 centimeter. And when you rectangle there 12 plus 12, 24. You want here 2, 16. So divided there into 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter. Area of rectangle L multiplied by B, 12 multiplied by 8 is equal to 96 centimeter. So 96 centimeter cube is a smaller than the 100 centimeter cube. Understand? Next one. Using graph paper, draw as many rectangles as you can such that each has an area of 24 square centimeter. Explain the pattern you notice. You want there 24. Length and breadth, their area you want always is a 24. Different types you want. 24 ones are 24. Length is 24. Breadth is 1 centimeter. That type 24 is area. When length is 12, breadth is 2. Area is 24. L multiplied by B. 6 4s are 24. 8 3s are 24. Again one. 3 8s are 8 3s are. Again one. Anyone have idea? 24 ones are 20. 12 2s are 6 4s are 3 8s are. Okay. All of you understand now? Here your portion is completed. You revise regularly one topic. Okay. Regularly one topic you revised there. Okay. Thank you. This one is your today's homework, page number 117. Okay. Thank you.